Hey there, welcome to Luxefluent. If you're a fan of the finer things in life, you're in the right place. From the latest trends in luxury fashion to the most lavish lifestyles, we've got it all. That is why in this video, we will unfold 10 of Dubai's richest people. And oh, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you never miss out on the fun. Number 1. Sheikha Lubna Al Qasimi. Sheikha Lubna Al Qasimi, a member of the Sharjah ruling family, has held significant roles in the government, driving philanthropy and promoting tolerance. As the former Minister of International Cooperation and Development, she led groundbreaking initiatives and traveled with Pope Francis as the Minister of State for Tolerance. She made history in 2004 as Dubai's first female cabinet member and is recognized as one of Forbes' most powerful women. With notable achievements like pioneering a B2B online marketplace and streamlining cargo operations at Dubai Airport, she currently serves on the board of directors at the Dubai Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Number 2. Hamdan bin Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum. Sheikh Hamdan, the Crown Prince of Dubai, possesses considerable wealth, estimated at $400 million. Through his Instagram account, he portrays a serene yet opulent lifestyle, sharing his extensive travels and his affinity for horses and exotic birds, affectionately known as Fazza. He boasts an astonishing collection of luxury cars, including Lamborghini, Rolls-Royce, Aston Martin, and Bugatti, worth millions of dollars. Additionally, he indulges his passion for falcons by acquiring them from England and flying them to Dubai at great expense. Sheikh Hamdan also has a profound interest in horses, camels, and rare wild cats. His property portfolio includes exclusive locations both within Dubai and abroad, such as a penthouse at the stunning Fairmont Pacific Rim in Canada and a 5-star hotel situated on the remarkable man-made Malljumeirah Islands. Number 3. Azad Moopen. Upon his arrival in Dubai in 1987, he transitioned from a lecturer at a governmental medical college in India to an esteemed medical professional. Originally a teacher at a reputable school in his hometown, he embarked on an entrepreneurial journey, establishing a small clinic that would eventually flourish under his leadership. Presently as the chairman and managing director of Aster DM Healthcare, he oversees nearly 400 facilities and a team of 3,000 doctors across various countries worldwide. Azad Moopen's contributions extend beyond his successful organization, as he has played a pivotal role in the establishment and growth of numerous healthcare initiatives and institutions, including the renowned Malabar Institute of Medical Sciences Hospital in India. Notably, the hospital commenced operations in 2001 as a 600-bed tertiary multi-care facility, followed by the establishment of a 150-bed hospital in 2009. Today, Aster MD provides medical care to over 10 million patients annually, while Azad Moopen's net worth exceeds $1 billion. Number 4. Sunny Varki. The inspiring journey of a man with only a high school education and creating an esteemed educational institution on an international scale is beyond imagination. Varki, born to Indian parents who sought better opportunities in Dubai following the discovery of oil in 1959, witnessed the influx of expatriates requiring English education for their children. Recognizing this need, his parents established our own English high school in 1968. Seizing the opportunity, Varki assumed control of the institution at the young age of 23 in 1980. With great determination, he expanded the school's operations and introduced diverse academic curricula through additional branches. As a 65-year-old billionaire, he further expanded his educational network by founding GEMS in 2000, a global educational management firm offering a comprehensive range of kindergarten to grade 12 schools across multiple countries. Presently, Sunny Varki's net worth stands at an impressive $1.8 billion. Number 5. Ravi Pillai. From humble beginnings as a farmer's son, Ravi Pillai has risen to become one of Dubai's wealthiest individuals. Born in India, he received his elementary education and a commerce degree. His entrepreneurial spirit emerged during his university days, when he provided financial assistance to start a chip fund business. Years later, he ventured into the construction industry but faced numerous obstacles that led to the closure of the enterprise. Undeterred, Pillai made a life-changing decision to relocate to Saudi Arabia in 1978. There, he joined forces with a knowledgeable partner familiar with the Emirates, and together they embarked on a fresh start. Today, Pillai's company, the Ravi Pillai Group, has evolved into a colossal construction firm, boasting annual revenues of nearly $8 billion. With a net worth of $2 billion, Pillai now resides in Dubai but maintains multiple investments in his home country, India. His diversified portfolio includes stakes in the banking sector, hospitality, healthcare, and real estate. Before we move forward, is there a particular personality in our list today whom you find exceptionally inspiring? Comment your thoughts below. Number 6. Saif Ahmed Belhassa. When Saif Ahmed Belhassa was honored with the CEO Middle East Business Expansion Award in 2007, it came as no surprise. Armed with a business management degree from Al Ain University of Science Technology and a master's degree obtained in the United States, he had undeniably left an indelible mark on the business world. Despite his father's establishment of the Saif Belhassa Holding Company, Belhassa was not granted any special privileges and had to climb the corporate ladder from the ground up. Earning the role of the general manager, he eventually assumed full control of the company's operations. This arduous journey may have contributed to his resounding success. With a vast array of companies spanning diverse sectors like travel, retail, tourism, advertising, metal, fashion, and real estate, this accomplished entrepreneur's net worth stands at approximately $2.1 billion. Number 7. Joy Alucas. Having been born into a family of jewelers, Joy Alucas has admirably followed in his father's footsteps to amass his own fortune. In 1956, the same year his father inaugurated his first jewelry showroom in India, Joy Alucas entered the world. This marked the inception of the family business, and in 1987, he embarked on a journey to the Middle East to establish the first overseas branch. In 2001, he ventured even further by founding his own jewelry company, Joy Alucas Jewelry, catapulting him to fame and fortune. Within a remarkably short period, he achieved the notable feat of opening the world's largest diamond and gold jewelry showroom. Additionally, he introduced the concept of the first diamond cave in his native India. Beyond the realm of jewelry, Joy Alucas extended his business acumen to encompass ventures in retail, fashion, and real estate. Notably among his other ventures are Mall of Joy, Joy Alucas Lifestyle Developers, Jolly Silks, and Joy Alucas Exchange. Presently, Joy Alucas boasts an approximate net worth of $3.1 billion. Number 8. Mukesh Wadhumal Jagtiani. Jagtiani's remarkable journey from a taxi driver to a billionaire in the baby products industry is far from a fairy tale. Now 71 years old and residing in Dubai, this Indian-born businessman has accumulated a net worth of $3.3 billion. After completing his primary education in India, he pursued accounting studies in London, but faced unfortunate circumstances that led to his departure without obtaining a degree. Temporarily working as a taxi driver, Jagtiani returned to Bahrain following the passing of his brother, who left behind a shop. Seizing the opportunity, he embarked on selling baby products, laying the foundation for his entrepreneurial success. Over the course of a decade, he expanded operations and established additional shops in the city. However, the outbreak of the Gulf War presented a setback, prompting Jagtiani to relocate to Dubai. It was there that he established the renowned Landmark Group conglomerate. Today, the company holds interest in electronics, hospitality, fashion, and furniture, employing nearly 50,000 individuals across over 1,000 outlets. Number 9. Majid Al Futtaim. The esteemed founder of Majid Al Futtaim Holding, with a remarkable net worth of $4.3 billion, has successfully transformed his company into a colossal conglomerate of global renown. While the reins of leadership have now been passed on to his son and a capable management team, the company continues to thrive across a diverse range of sectors. Majid Al Futtaim's holdings operations encompass entertainment, lifestyle, leisure, retail, and real estate, making it a true powerhouse. At present, it boasts an impressive portfolio that includes over 25 shopping malls, a network of more than 400 Carrefour outlets, and a dozen high-end hotels spread throughout the Middle East, Africa, and Asia. Notably, the Mall of Egypt in Cairo and the Mall of Emirates in Dubai, which even houses an indoor ski slope, have become iconic destinations for both residents and visitors. Apart from his remarkable business ventures, Al Futtaim is renowned for his ownership of one of the world's most luxurious yachts, the Quattriole. It is worth mentioning that he is the cousin of another esteemed billionaire, Abdullah Al Futtaim. Number 10. M.A. Yusuf Ali. Dubbed the retail king by many, Ali's reputation is more than deserved. As the mastermind behind Lulu Group International, he oversees a business empire that generates billions in annual revenue. However, his remarkable journey began in a modest village in India, where he spent his formative years. In 1973, he ventured to the United Arab Emirates to collaborate with his uncle, the visionary founder of the Lulu Group of companies. Ali dedicated himself to expanding the company's retail division and introduced the widely acclaimed Lulu Hypermarket, a supermarket chain that swiftly gained popularity across the Emirates. Offering an extensive range of products, from frozen foods to non-food items, the hypermarkets became the go-to destination for hotels, restaurants, and catering services. Presently, the company boasts an extensive network of hundreds of stores and malls throughout the Middle East. Now 67 years old, Ali has not only achieved tremendous business success, but has also made significant contributions to various humanitarian projects. With an estimated net worth of $5.6 billion, his impact and influence continue to inspire. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. For more, make sure to get fluent, stay fluent by liking and subscribing to our channel. I'll see you at the next one.